Hello friends, I am Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Junction. So today we are coming across to GATE notification as GATE notification and GATE site open. So GATE 2021. This exam conducted organizing by Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. So Bombay will conduct this exam in the upcoming year. So this is graduate aptitude test in engineering. So GATE is an national examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of Science, IISc Bangalore, and seven Indian Institute of Technology IIT at Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee. On behalf of National Coordinator Board NCB, GATE, Department of Examination, Ministry of Education, and Government of India, GATE exam is a computer-based test (CBT). So, organizing institute for GATE 21 is Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. So, qualifying in GATE is a mandatory requirement for seeking admission and or financial assistance to postgraduate program, master and doctorate with Ministry of Education and other government scholarship assistantship subject to the admission criteria of the admitting institute. GATE score is also used by some public sector undertaking PSUs for their recruitment and by several other universities in India and abroad for admission. So GATE 21 score will remain valid for 3 years from date of commencement of results. So this is a new change in 3 years. And this GATE is basically a national examination on the comprehensive understanding of the candidate in various undergraduate subjects in engineering, technology, architecture, and postgraduate level subject in arts, commerce, and sciences. So GATE 21 will be conducted for 27 subjects, also referred to as papers. Like we'll go for that section. So GATE 21 examination will be conducted over 6 days and 12 sessions on Friday 5th, Saturday 6th, Sunday 7th, Friday 12th, Saturday 13th, and Sunday 14th of Feb 2021. The GATE examination is conducted in different cities across India as well as 6 cities outside India in international centers. So GATE 21 will be conducted only if the current COVID-19 situation, cases and travel and other restrictions are relaxed. So else GATE 21 International Center will be cancelled. So GATE score would reflect the relative performance level of the candidate in a particular subject, which is qualified based on several years of examination data. So highlights for GATE 21. Date of examination, as already I told you. So this exam has one thing new, that is 2 new subject paper are introduced in GATE 2021. That is number 1 ES Environmental Science and Engineering, and XH, that is for Humanity and Social Sciences in Economics, English, Linguistic, Philosophy, Psychology, and Sociology. So this is the new changes in this GATE. And total number of subject 27. Subject of all paper have been revised for 2021. So all test paper for 21 will be entirely objective type. Pattern of question may be include MCQs, multiple choice question, multiple select question, and or numeric answer type NAT. So one or two subjects papers allowed. So two paper combined have to be chosen from the given list of combination of papers. Final allotment of two paper will still be subject to availability of infrastructure and dates. So eligibility criteria is relaxed. A candidate who is currently studying in the third or higher year of any undergraduate program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology and architecture, science, commerce, arts is eligible to appear GATE 2021 examination. So there is no age limit to appear for GATE 2021 examination. Application will be accepted online only through GATE 2021 website link. So GATE 21 scorecard is remain valid for 3 years. This is the official website, that is https gate.iitb.ac.in, right? So due to COVID-19 related international travel restriction, examination at international center may be dropped if situation is not conductive by the end of November 2021. So the important dates, so these are the important dates, like GATE application processing system website open on Monday 14 September 2021. Closing date will be on 30th September, Wednesday 2020, and date of end of extend period for online registration application with late fees 7th October 2020. Last date of change of category paper and examination city 13th November 2021. Availability of admit card on the online application portal for download and printing, that is on 8th of January. Date of examination, that is on two shifts of forenoon and afternoon, that is 9 to 12 or 3 to 6. So Friday on 5th Friday, like 5th, 6th, 7th Feb 2021 or 12th, 13th, 14th Feb 2021. Then announcement of result online application portal on 22 March 2021. So all these things depend upon the current COVID-19 pandemic situation. It may be subject to change. So papers, these are the 27 subjects which are included. So these are the new subject which are included in this year. So total marks in each paper is 100. Common general aptitude GA section for each 15 marks, and main paper is for 85 marks. So like this, and these are the code for this exams. So you can find code for this, the code for first paper primary and code for allowed as second paper. So once if you want to choose this AE, then you simultaneously you can choose second paper like this. So these are the changes. These are the all papers, as you can see. If alright, if you want to take MA, then second paper you can take CS, PH and ST. Okay, so you can download information brochure from here by clicking this, and then you can go for further detailed information. So we are doing some question of the day for the GATE, focus on GATE examination, and we have previous year's questions for mathematical sciences. So those who are interested in mathematical sciences and preparing for mathematical sciences, they can refer that papers and can be take profit of this. So thank you for being with me in this interesting videos.